Hello, royal family. How is everyone doing? Okay, this is the second part of the video to the caramel walnut sauce. You guys, that sauce is so good. I kid you not. I was eating it by the spoonfuls. And please forgive me for not showing my face today. You know how when you sleep so hard and you wake up, you're all puffy? You guys wouldn't want to see me like that today. But anyway, this will be the conclusion. And as I stated before, always look down in the description box below, just in case I tweak something, because I don't want you guys to waste your ingredients. But before I get started with the ingredients, thank you to all of my new subscribers. Thank you so much. And what can I say to my ride or die subscribers? You guys really are awesome. All right, now this is pretty simple, but it's gonna be so delicious. All right, let's get started. Okay, here I have a, what is it? I think it's a 9-inch. Is this cool, guys? A walnut pie crust ready to use. So can you guys see where I'm going with the walnut caramel sauce? Are you following me so far? So I'm going to use this walnut pie crust, which is going to, turn this pumpkin mousse pie, take it to another level. All right, here I have 3.4 ounces of pumpkin spice jello. Oh yeah, this is going to take it up another notch. I have a pack of cream cheese, 8-ounce pack of cream cheese. I have a can of pumpkin, but of course we're only going to use 1 cup of that. And I have some heavy whipping cream, and also I have just regular whole milk. So this is what I want us to do first. We're going to take the pumpkin spice jello. We're only going to use 1.5 cups. We're not going to follow the directions on the back of the box, which states 2 cups. We're only going to use 1.5 cups. We're going to mix it up and put it in the refrigerator. After that, I will come back and show you guys what else we need to do. All right, hang tight. We're on a roll. All right, royal family. Correction on the milk. We're going to only use 1 cup of the whole milk for the pumpkin spice jello because I want to make sure that the pie set up nicely and it cuts nicely. So only 1 cup of milk to the pumpkin spice. All right, in this bowl I have 1 ounce, 8 ounces of the cream cheese and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. What we're going to do, we're going to beat this until it's smooth. And then I have 1 cup of the pumpkin. Once we beat this smooth, then we're going to add the pumpkin and beat that in, and then I'll come back and show you what we will do next. But while we're doing this, take your bowl and your beaters and put them in the refrigerator because we want them cold for our heavy cream. All right, here is the cream cheese mixture and the pumpkin and the vanilla. So what we're going to do next, here is the pumpkin spice pie filling that we're going to add to this bowl right here, and we're going to incorporate all of that together. Okay, here is the mixture of the pumpkin spice jello, the pumpkin, the cream cheese, and the vanilla. And I know you guys are wondering, okay, I didn't see her add any sugar. No, the pumpkin spice jello is really sweet. So it balances out the sweetness in this pie. And also I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar in the whipped cream heavy whipped cream mixture. So here I have a half a cup of whipped cream, and I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And then I'm just going to beat it until it gets stiff peaks, until stiff peaks form. And then I'm going to fold it into this mixture. This mixture, you guys, is so good, so good. I can't wait to cut it and drizzle that caramel sauce on it. Okay, we're down to the finish line. All right, I want you guys to see how I'm folding it in. You're just gonna turn it. You're not gonna whip it at all. And you're just gonna keep turning it until all the white is mixed in. That is what will give you your mousse consistency to this pie. Flip, turn, flip, turn, and you are folding your heavy whipping cream in. All right, here is the pie in the walnut crust, and we're going to put it in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours. And if you can make it the day before, it would even be better. But I'm going to leave this in about 4 hours. And when I come back and we drizzle this caramel sauce over it, oh my Lord, you will not be disappointed. You guys will not be disappointed in this recipe. And yes, of course, we're going to decorate it, you know? All right, see you in about 4 to 4.5 hours. All right, Royal Family, here is the finished product of the pumpkin mousse pie with a caramel walnut sauce. And you guys, this pie is to die for. I promise you. And I just did a little caramel on the top. And I also did a small little container with the caramel sauce with the pecans. But I want to show you guys this. I want you to look at this. And that walnut crust. Ah, look at that. All right, I'm going in. Hang on. Winner, winner, pumpkin dinner. Wow. This one here is another must that you have to keep in your arsenal. It is so delicious. Miss O wouldn't lie to you. All right, I'm going in with some of this caramel sauce. Look at all those walnuts on it. You see that? Now I'm finna do this. So we're finna get it. Oh, don't you fall off. Yep, it fell off. But this is mine, so I'm going in with it. One more time, you guys. One more time. All right, look at that. Now let's get a bite of both. Oh, my Lord, that's good. Thank you guys for watching. I hate talking like this, but oh my gosh, this is so good. Thank you guys for watching. Mrs. O will be back next week with another recipe. God bless you. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, winner, winner, pumpkin mousse, winner. The walnut crust, you guys, is off the chain.